Built in 1852, the William Douglas House is a stately Greek revival set on a gorgeous lot that stretches over 9,000 square feet. This elegant home, with fantastic modern amenities, has been tastefully restored to its historic beauty. Exquisite original moldings and fireplaces fill every room with grace, like the large dining room and living room, which are perfect settings for any occasion. Chefs and guests alike will adore the kitchen with custom cabinetry, top-of-the-line appliances, quartz countertops, and a marble tile backsplash. The kitchen opens to a large family room with a brick fireplace, custom windows, and an attached, updated half bath. Glass doors lead out to the landscaped private yard, where you can lounge on the expansive brick patio around a built-in fire pit. The second floor features an elegant master bedroom with a dressing area and a magnificent master bath with a tiled walk-in shower. Sunlight streams into the second large suite that enjoys an ensuite bath, while two other generous bedrooms share a delightful bath. On the third floor are 4 additional bedrooms to go along with 2 fantastic full baths. Incredibly, more living space is available on the lower level that features a finished room, a half bath, and access to the 2-car garage. The perfect College Hill residence where you can walk to the campuses of Brown University, the Rhode Island School of Design, and many acclaimed museums. Shopping and dining options are available along nearby Thayer Street and North Main Street. Minutes away is the downtown commuter rail, which, along with the nearby highway, allows you to travel to Boston and beyond. Downtown Providence is the hub of culture with the productions at the acclaimed theaters, award-winning dining, and local events like Waterfire. For more information, please visit the property website or call Kathy Singer at area code 401-553-6318.